Okay, first-person view drones at the minute seem to be the hot thing. Everybody wants one. Every company is coming out with one, and there's just one thing that they've not quite nailed. It's the price. They're all a little bit too expensive, or they're way too time-consuming to actually want to do. Now, what if I told you that you could take your old drone footage, or just some recent stuff that you've filmed, and turn it into FPV footage? I think I have your attention. But before I do actually share this knowledge and this information and this technique with you, I want to say that it was actually taken from a guy by the name of Drone Film Guide. He's a YouTuber that literally tells you everything you need to know about drone stuff, so I will link his channel in the description if you want to go and see more of his stuff. Okay, so how do we actually turn it into first-person view footage? Now, it comprises of three things: speeding up the footage, adding motion blur, and keyframing it. Preferably, if you can get your drone footage to at least a minute long, then that'd be brilliant, because we're going to be speeding it up by at least 600% so that it gives it that nice, fast 80-mile-an-hour FPV drone look. So once you've imported your drone clip into your editing software, go ahead and just speed it up by at least 600%. You can go faster if you want, but I would say the minimum that you want to go is 600%. Okay, so once you've sped up your clip, we want to keyframe it so that we can start on an angle like this and we can end on an angle like this. That way it gives the drone footage that sort of swooping motion that the FPV drones are so well known for. So we'll start by scaling up the footage so that it's nice and big, so that when we do rotate it, we don't get these horrible black triangles in the corners and it just looks weird. So scale it up by about 150 and then rotate it to about 20 degrees or something like that. And then press the keyframe button in the top left if you are using Final Cut. I don't know how to do this in Premiere, so if you know how to keyframe in Premiere, job's a good one. So once you've rotated your clip, go ahead and add a new keyframe. Now what you want to do is go all the way to the end of the clip, twist it the other way, and then add a new keyframe. So that when the clip plays, the clip will just rotate from left to right or right to left. Now on to step number 3, adding motion blur. I have actually linked in the description a pack of motion blur effects that I use myself, and they are free. You don't have to buy them, just download them straight to your software. Okay, so once you've added your motion blur, we're done. That's it. I mean, there's probably a couple of other things that you might want to do outside of these steps, like maybe add more keyframes or reverse the clip or do other different things, zoom in, zoom out. And just like that, you now have a first-person view clip from a drone that isn't FPV. So now you don't have to go out and spend ridiculous amount of money on just trying to get on a new trend. You can just get out there, film some regular drone clips, and then turn it into FPV after. Nobody will know. Anyway, let me know if this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff that you already love to do. I will see you in the next one. City.